Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Humm account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box at the top and type in shophumm.com and search. This will take you to the official website from where you'll need to select your region or your area, and then from the official web page, mouse over the login drop-down at the top right and select whether you are a customer or business. To log in as a customer, click on Customer Login, whereas to log in as a business, you will need to click on Business. Now select your area or your region from the options and mouse over to the login drop-down at the top right. Select one of the login options in the pop-up and then you will be taken to the login interface. To log into your account, you will need to choose whether to use email or via social media. Select any one options from the two. If you want to log in with email, you'll need to type in your email address associated with your Humm account. Once you are done, head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions. After filling in both of your credentials, click Login and you will be able to log into your Humm account. So that is how super easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.